Well, early morning hate and discontent between truck drivers. Let's listen. Southwestern Ohio.
That's the way to start a good morning. Yeah, you sound like a bunch of old cattle and fucking whores. Fucking CB Rambo over there, come on. Yeah, but you won't come over here, though, will you, you pussy? Yeah, what are you driving? Loser? Well, I'm fucking 2018 Philadelphia with a fucking cowboy on the side. Now you know, don't say another word, but you're standing right here. But got one on the side, a big cock. Ooh, we got some Tuesday morning entertainment. There's a ball thing dropped here. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. My point exactly. What kind of man would talk like that? I mean, if he was anything at all. Shut up, loser. My point exactly.
Well, he's entertaining.
You ain't got no point. I don't even know why the hell you're on here. I just started to get the weather from the old weatherman. Come on. I wish you'd go fucking take a deep breath. Don't take. You are a true patriot, man. I tell you what, fellow countrymen like that. You know what? Guys like you to make this industry great. And that's why we need more Somalians getting through the holes in the board. Other trucks just pieces of shit like you. You old steering wheel holder fucking motherfucker. Hey, at least you can go home tonight and tell your boyfriend how